Federal Aviation Administration is in the process of repurposing many of its instructor-led training courses for distance learning delivery. This course, on the centralized maintenance system, was originally a 24-hour instructor-led course that relied heavily on hands-on lab exercises. C-Squared Technologies Incorporated developed a 24-hour computer-based instruction course that effectively replaces the cost-intensive instructor-led version. The courseware utilizes robust interactive drills that effectively emulate the hands-on experience. The course is structured in a very logical, straightforward manner befitting the complex subject matter. First, the material is presented to the learners using easy-to-understand language supported by realistic high-resolution graphics. In this sequence, the learner clicks bulleted text and the appropriate cables and connection points are displayed. On a regular basis, the learner is presented with embedded questions that are intended to reinforce the learning process. When the learner has worked their way through the concepts and procedures, the lab work begins. For the equipment installation labs, graphical representations of the equipment were created, and the interaction is designed to lead the learners through each step of the installation process. As the learner selects the correct answer, the corresponding cable appears in the proper location, reinforcing their selection. To demonstrate the procedure for building a new network, this flash animation was employed. It identifies the steps necessary to complete the installation process by highlighting each step, then displaying the results of the action that must be taken by the technician. The learner has the option of viewing each step at his or her own pace or viewing the entire procedure by selecting Show All. This interaction allows the user to see a procedure and work at his or her own pace to learn a procedure completely. In this exercise, the learner practices using the centralized maintenance system to complete I/O mapping. Following prompts, the user works through the process one step at a time. When a step is correctly completed, feedback reinforces the step and prompts the learner to continue. Ensuring that this exercise provides a hands-on feel is critical. Note how the learner physically toggles this switch, just as if working with the actual equipment. This lab tests both their ability to use the window to set the correct pins and their ability to read and understand the purpose of each pin in the I/O map. When completed, the FAA Centralized Maintenance System CBI consisted of 24 hours of robust, engaging multimedia training. The CMS CBI was a follow-up to the FAA's STVS CBI and achieved similar success.